I work with a variety of mediums within visual arts, installations, videos, performances that involve all kinds of props. I also work with text a lot, and that appears in the form of poems or songs. I collaborate a lot, and usually people that I collaborate with, it's for different projects, not for one in particular. The invitation from Arcadia was connected with how I work in relation to history and stories. It was an invitation to revisit this history of Oranjewoud and the gardens around the estate. From this research, I tried to create this installation that you can see now at the Friesland Museum. We looked into female figures, minor histories or stories that were related to the state of Oranjewoud and the overall role of women in the history of Friesland. The Friesland Museum, the archive is so big and vast, so we first looked into different elements that could be important for us. Accessories, but also garments. We also looked into Baroque garden designs. Women that were running the estate usually were very much interested in cultivating fruits and vegetables, so they would bring experts to grow a particular type of fruit, and that appears also in the composition. So there was a strong wish to let all these fruits and vegetables grow and outgrow from the composition. I work on jacquard tapestry as if I would be collaging or painting. It starts on paper like a collage, that it never survives because it's constantly being reformulated, and then moved into the computer where I continue editing and it becomes a dense composition. I like to create this abundance of all the different narratives and historical stories and references, almost like a spatial dramaturgy. We have these sculptures. You see there is this tapestry, it's standing on a structure, could become like a setting for something. Actually, there is a performance designed around it. We approach history as something multiple, collective and fluid, and something not definite, but that it's constantly being rewritten, retold, shared, contested. I wanted to get closer to the importance of cultivating and gardening, a bit an homage to Mother Earth, I would say. It really clicked with how I envisioned this royal garden, because it was not anymore a royal garden for just a few, but on the contrary, it has all these different characters and fruits, and I wanted to make it more accessible. I wanted this garden to misbehave a bit, yeah.